H.
H.
P.
P. O. S. That's a caterpillar.
Mm-hmm.
That's an ant.
That's an ant. You're right.
It's crying.
It looks like she's crying because she has little drips of water, but she's actually sweating because she's hot. Can you spell the word?
S-O-P-H-I-B.
A.
A.
That's an A on the end. Right.
I. H.
Right.
P.
Right.
O. S.
What's that spell? What's that spell? Sophia. Spells Sophia.
Steenberg animals.
Steenberg animals. That's right.
Steenberg animals. S. Toucan. T. For a toucan. E for all of it. I put the tape on it.
Does the book have a tear? Mommy will fix it with tape after you go to sleep. It's okay. Keep going. You can keep reading it.
Monkey up to me.
Hey, Sophie, can you come here? Can you spell your last name? Can you spell Steenberg in your book? Can you spell it? Can you spell these letters?
Bell.
Say the letters. Can you say them out loud so Mommy can hear you?
Letters.
Okay, say them.
Letters.
Yay. What's this?
This.
Yeah? What's this?
T. E. E. H.
Close. It's an N. It looks like an H. It's a small lowercase n. What's that one?
P.
It looks like it. It looks like kind of like an upside down P, but that's actually a B. B. What's that?
U. Uzi.
What's this one?
U.
That's a U. What's this?
R.
And what's that last letter?
Z.
Wow! That's only your third day of small case letters. Good job.
Bell.
What's this? What's that animal? What's that?
It's like Mama's garden. It's giraffe.
It is a giraffe, and you're right. There is one in Merry Madagascar. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.